guys, lockpick mechanic here with today with an Asec Vital. Here's the bitting for it, some pretty wild bitting there. As you see, we've got a sacrificial cut here, and we've also got 6 pins and 2 anti-drill pins there. It works very smoothly. We carry in from our standard Rigourous series. Can't seem to bump this, probably because of the bitting. Right, let's get on with it. Okay. Dropped into a fault set now. Using the lean, taking 25 thousandths. And we've got it open. Right. See if I can get these, so these slugs aren't coming out, so... Oh. Now that is interesting. That seems to be an anti-bump pin in there. What are these? What is going on here? What, am I hallucinating? What is going on? What is going on? What is going on? What is going on? Oh, I don't know what's going on here, boys.
Oh, Neil! What the hell is going on?
Why am I receiving... Sorry. Excuse me?
Excuse me?
What is going on? I'm crying here. I'm crying. I'm actually crying. I'm either really, really good at picking, or I just didn't feel them.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
I do like Asec quite a bit. I do like... Look at those, guys. Look at those. You know, this is going to get a really good rating from me, I think. Right. I'll bring a zoom in on this. Right. I don't know, I'm speechless, guys. So you can see here, these have got a spooling on them. I'm not even going to call them torpedoes, I'm going to call them spooling on all of the key pins. So they're all security key pins, as you can see here. It's a massive, massive anti-drill here. They call this standard security. This is why I like Asec. Some beautiful double wished springs there. That's what I call it. And 1 spool in slot 6. All the rest to slot 5 are standard. And just give you a look at that beautiful bitting there. I'm just going to take it off its ring. So this must be the new Asec Vital, and it's pinning, which makes it a nightmare to pick. Like, obviously it didn't look like I was struggling, but it was kind of hard to pick. But yeah, just leave that key on slot 8 and 9 for you there. And yeah, that's... Sorry guys, I've got to rate it. Yeah, it's got to be 8.5 because I couldn't bump it. Yeah, this is... Yeah, 8.5 guys, Asec Vital. Yeah. This is the best one so far. Very, very impressed. Okay, I'm sure this has been Lockpick Mechanic. Goodbye.